A lot of medical schools don't do this for high school students, and also not a lot of this is the first DO school I've learned about. So it's a really interesting thing to learn about learn about the difference between DOs and MDs and and experience a little bit of both and how they do both things. It's kind of like a good experience for me, just like get a feel, get my drip and like dip my toes like the water before it's my turn to go here. So I'm really thankful for that, and that's kind of why I joined, just like get an experience that you wouldn't experience anywhere else.
Seeing the younger generation and how excited they are and just interested in science has been like honestly a pleasure to watch. Just seeing how their eyes light up, or even just now when they were opening their kits, they were so excited. What we're opening up their minds to, their eyes to, just to prepare them for their future is one of the things that like just warms my heart and makes me so excited about this program.
It's good to see the other people that look like me or like go with like the similar struggles of actually like of being in the medical field and trying to pave their way and make their way for people like me who are coming next. So I really like seeing that because it kind of gives me hope and faith that like, okay, if they can make it here, why can't I?